to carry. So right here we have a Mark 7 ChoiceWash XT, and right on the left we have a Mark 7 SoftWash XT. Two different bays. We've been to that before. Today we will get the ultimate touch-free wash. Oh, there we go. Look at the half of the signage is not working, so that's what we're getting. We're getting pre-soak. Good covering of a pre-soak. It's really interesting machine. Interesting that they put a Mark 7 SoftWash XT on the left and the ChoiceWash XT on the right. Then we are getting the back of pre-soak. There we go. We get this double path. And we get thing. For a second coating of pre-soak. Good covering of a pre-soak. Then we're going to get the front again. We're going to have. We get our high power rinse. We are grappling our car with a high power rinse logo. We're getting them. I guess it's doing the back. And we're getting the second pass of a high power rinse again. Oh. We're getting a high power rinse once again. That's our second pass. We might get one more pass. We didn't do tri-foam yet, so we will wait to see what it. We are doing the point again. Now we're getting tri-foam time. We're getting tri-foam time. It says tri-foam Let's see what the coverage is. Really decent coverage. Not great in the middle though. Really good coverage. Now we're going to get the high power once again. The full pass. It's gonna get ready to do the back. This is a revisit to do a touch-free wash because the car is really dirty and we wanted to get it. And right now it's doing a great job cleaning the car. Now we're going to get Rain-X. We are done with the high power lens. Now we're getting Rain-X. But shine is perfect because they have good coverages. Really good covering up for Rain-X. Now we're getting our spot-free rinse. We're getting our spot-free rinse. That's good. That's good. And we can go through the dryers. We have Mark 7 Protest dryer. We have 65 seconds of dryer time. Let's see how the dryers do. We have Mark 7 Protest dryers. We have 2 side dryers overhead. We have our signage. I will recommend this car wash. More seconds of dryer time. We're getting the dryers are getting the back. We have 10 more seconds of dryer time. 3, 2, and 1. And we're done. That's the Mark 7 ChoiceWash XT and the Mark 7 Soft Wash XT.